हे एवरीवन सो नया एपिसोड ऑफ नवदुर्गा एपिसोड नंबर 8। और आज की जो हमारी दुर्गा है, अब उनसे मिलने के लिए बॉस आई एम टेकिंग यू टू हॉलीवुड नाउ। ये एपिसोड्स करते करते, ये सीरीज करते करते वी हैव रीच्ड ऑल द वे टू हॉलीवुड। आज की हमारी दुर्गा, शी हैज वर्क ऑन बिगेस्ट ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट्स इन हॉलीवुड। उनमें से फेमस नाम कुछ ऐसे हैं: द फैंटास्टिक फोर, द शेप ऑफ वाटर जिसको ऑस्कर दिया गया था, रेसिडेंट इविल। तो दीज आर सम ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट्स विच शी हैज वर्कड ऑन। और एक बहुत ही सुंदर वेब सीरीज पे उन्होंने काम किया था विच इज स्ट्रेंजर थिंग्स, वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट्स गाइज। वेलकम अदिति दोशी। हाय अदिति।
Hi, hello everyone.
So how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm wonderful. Thank you for doing this.
It's an amazing concept. I love the video, so yeah.
Thank you, thank you. The pleasure is all mine. Okay, so we'll get straight to the questions. So number one,
Yeah.
I have seen that you have done your diploma in animation and VFX from MAC, which is Maya Maya Academics of Advanced Cinematics, right? Yes. Mumbai again. Okay. Now, then you also did your post graduation in VFX. ये करने के लिए आपने पहले BMM किया है, बैचलर्स इन मास मीडिया। तो ये करने के लिए ग्रेजुएशन या ऐसा कुछ जरूरी है क्या?
Yes, actually, यहाँ पे जो course है, I did it from a college called Sanika College.
Okay.
And they wanted 10 plus 2 years of education.
Okay.
So that was only possible with like BMM because it's a Mumbai University degree. So that was my main aim. I wanted to do a degree course.
Okay. Okay.
MAC diploma wasn't recognized. So yeah,
Oh.
that was the reason.
All right. So what you're saying is कि यहाँ का जब आप BMM या बैचलर्स कोर्स करते हो, after that you're eligible for that postgraduate course which you did in Canada.
Yes, absolutely.
Oh.
So make sure everybody has a bachelor degree. It's important, guys. Listen to your parents.
Oh, all right. Yes, yes. तो मतलब वो बोलते हैं ना कि यहाँ का 10वीं उधर का 7वीं वाला सीन हो गया ये।
हाँ, exactly.
Okay, all right. So good. अब आपने इन प्रोजेक्ट्स पे काम किया, ये जो सारे बड़े बड़े नाम है, तो would you like to share some experience working on that? कैसा था, कैसा सब?
So my first project was Fantastic Four. It was amazing. Like एक तो इंडिया में रह के हॉलीवुड मूवीज देखते थे. My favorite was Lord of the Rings, which got me into this field. And हमेशा सोचती थी कैसे करते हैं यार, 3D कैसे करते हैं, कौन से सॉफ्टवेयर. So when I first started working on a movie, पूरा sequence दे दिया यार, fire बनाना है that fire guy.
Torch.
So so it was such a big deal, like यहाँ पे clients का email आ रहा है, you talking to that director is addressing you.
Oh, okay.
Different experience.
Okay. All right. So like, is this kind of like living the dream?
It is. It's not that glamorous as it looks, but I love what I do, so I guess that's more important. And it's very creative. There's always something new in some other project, some new project going on. There's always something new going on.
Okay.
It's like never end, always learning.
Okay, all right. And there's another thing, since you have done your PG in Canada, like overseas, say, we'll name it as, तो यहाँ से अगर किसी को वहां पे जाना है, तो क्योंकि सोच के ऐसा लगता है कैसे जाएंगे, फिर इतने सारे पैसे कहाँ से आएंगे, तो हाउ डू थिंग्स जनरली वर्क आउट? लाइक मतलब ऐसा ही है कि अगर आपके पास 10-20 लाख रुपए हैं, लाइक हार्ड ऑन यू हैव इट इन योर अकाउंट, तभी आप कर सकते हो, या लोन फैसिलिटीज मिलती है जो आप जॉब के बाद कर सकते हो?
That's a very good point. So I had no financial support as such.
Oh, is it?
मेरा ये था. Yeah, so mine was like, if I don't get the student loans, I don't think I can go to Canada. So तभी तो 7 साल पहले किसी को पता भी नहीं था VFX होता क्या है, तो मैं बैंक टू बैंक घूमी हूँ एक थप्पी भर के डॉक्यूमेंट लेके टू एक्सप्लेन व्हाट विजुअल इफेक्ट्स इज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, कि ऐसा कोर्स भी होता है वहाँ पे.
Okay.
फिर जाके I got a loan at one bank, visa process and everything started, but it was a beginning. Now people know. Now people know
Yeah,
virtual
now
chess
they
क्या है,
do.
animation क्या है,
Yes.
so they're more open about this field.
Yeah.
But yeah, you can go apply for student loans, get admission to a good college or university over here. अगर आपको इंडिया से बाहर निकल के काम करना है, it's all possible. Once you start earning, and if you're good at what you do, you will be good, like set whole life में.
Okay, so the central idea or whatever you just said right now tells me one thing कि boss आप इस बारे में सोच सकते हो, रुकना नहीं है. You can think, you can plan, you can pursue, and you can achieve.
Yes, definitely. I literally had no financial support when I was thinking about Canada. So yeah, anybody can do it if I can do it.
Yeah, that's a very wonderful, that's a very good thing that you just said कि मैं कर सकती हूँ तो कोई भी कर सकता है यार बॉस. Yeah, because I see a lot of talented, hard-working people in India, but वो एक ही बात सोचते हैं यार कि पैसे कहाँ से आएंगे, वहाँ पे इतना सब कैसे हो पाएगा. And then even if they try to do something what you did, something similar to what you did, there are people like sometimes family has no idea कि अरे कहाँ से आएंगे, वो लोन कौन चुकाएगा.
Yeah. So very frankly, जब मैं पहले आई थी यहाँ पे रैंडम लोगों को ढूंढ के I used to message them, email लिखती थी भाई पैसे like जॉब मिल सकता है, जॉब मार्केट कैसा है, how much do you earn, like starting salary क्या है. Of course first 2-3 years बहुत difficult है कोई भी country में when you're starting off, but after 2-3 years it's going to go smoothly.
Absolutely.
First 2-3 years, yeah, like first 2-3 years when you're at that base salary level. फिर भी I feel India से better था in terms of work culture. Work culture यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा है. So they respect your time, overtime के पैसे देते हैं.
All right. अच्छा, overtime के okay. So you guys are getting paid.
Yeah, so job वाला feeling नहीं आता. Then you get motivated for what you're working on.
True.
Right?
Money is the biggest motivation of all.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Eventually it gets better.
Okay. All right. Okay, so good thing. Now, also one more thing that I wanna ask is जो आपने वर्क कल्चर मेंशन किया है, ठीक है, तो हम हमेशा सुनते हैं कि 40 आवर वर्क वीक, 40 आवर वर्क वीक. या नाउ दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग इज अ मिथ इन इंडिया. मतलब वो इंडिया में है ही नहीं कहीं भी. It's only in the companies if your client is from UK, US or Europe, तो वहां पे फॉलो, क्योंकि आपका क्लाइंट बंद है तो आपको छुट्टी है. Now, how are the facilities and how is the treatment for people who work there?
So, I am seriously blessed with like whatever company I'm at. We have 44 hours a week.
Okay.
And it's like a bit of work from home, but when the offices were open, it's like exact 6:30 I'm out of the studio. It's like the more kind of you work, they look down upon you because you couldn't complete your work in the given time you were given, right? So that is why आपको overtime करना.
True, yes.
They don't appreciate you working hard, but it's like have a work-life balance. They do like stress on that. And overtime होता है, they let you know, they pay you 1.5 times the normal salary.
Oh, okay.
It's the government rule, so which is great, right? So this is the work
it's
culture
worth the
here.
effort, absolutely. All right, so that's a good thing, and I'm pretty sure that people will get help from this particular video, and काफी आई होप के लोगों को इससे हेल्प मिले, और ये जो उनकी सोच है कि यार कैसे कर लेंगे, हाउ विल वी मैनेज. या सो वट एवर यू सेड इज, आई थिंक इट्स डेफिनेटली मैनेजेबल. अब यार मूवीज के बारे में फिर से मुझे मूवीज के बारे में थोड़ा सा वापस से बात करना है. ओके, स्ट्रेंजर थिंग्स. Yeah, one of the best web series that I have seen in the recent times. So how was it working on Stranger Things?
Oh my God, it was one hell of a project. उनको जो डिटेल में काम करवाया है, I remember there was a completely dark shot. मतलब कुछ दिख रहा नहीं है. And everybody is watching on the TV screen, not even in a movie theater. But the amount of detail the clients have stressed upon, quality of work was amazing. पूरा bright कर के every pixel they have noticed and every little detail. So it was a like big deal for all of us. Like इतना. It was amazing
Okay,
working on it.
okay.
For sure.
Now, matlab, I feel like I've gone again back to the Stranger Things like happening right now. I could see 11, I could see all the guys, the boys, and it was a
Yeah.
lovely web series. I loved it.
I love the series too. It's
Yes,
really nice.
yes,
It's very-
totally. Okay, Aditi, so it was wonderful talking to you. And
wonderful talking to you.
yeah, so I'll put in your link into the bio. So viewers को अगर कुछ देखना है, कुछ जानना है, तो they can know about you, and they'll be able to take a lot of guidance as well. The people who are interested in this field particularly. So guys,
Sure.
Durga number 8, Aditi Doshi from Canada, and the one who has worked on an Oscar-winning movie, The Shape of Water, from Hollywood, Aditi Doshi. All right, Aditi, bye-bye.
Bye. Take care. All the very
Yes,
best.
yes.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.